getting ready. I have to have a photo shoot and stuff. How's Papa?
Okay, well, Papa said he was sleeping. I just dropped my phone off at the house. I'm coming. I'm going on.
Oh, he's still at the hospital?
Yeah, they killed him.
Do they know how long he gonna be there for?
No, hopefully they let him go today. I don't know.
So that phone call a couple nights ago, my mother texted me and said that they had called the paramedics on my grandfather, and he was having some heart troubles and everything. And you know, you never want to get that call about you know, pretty much anybody having to be rushed to the hospital. And so I was just calling to check on him and check on everybody, and you know, so we're just praying for the best. But he's a lot older now, and again, you just never want to get those phone calls. But today is Saturday, and you're probably wondering why I'm all dressed up. It's because I have some stuff to do today. I have to take some photos. I'm taking some photos for a friend. He's a content creator, and he needs some photos for his stuff. So of course, I'm going to help him out. And then I'm also going to be interviewing somebody later on today to add to my content creation team, so that hopefully I can continue to bring you all more vlogs and more content and all that type of stuff. Because although it is cool and it's fun and everything, and I like showing y'all, I still run a full real estate business in addition to other things that I've started. And so I need help, and I'm gonna get help. So I hope to hopefully bring somebody on the team here soon. So y'all are gonna come with me today, check all that out, and then I have a surprise. All right, so we are at my brokerage office, which has been a minute since I've been here, but we're gonna get a few photos done. This is my buddy Alex.
What's up?
So if you're here in Dallas and need some awesome photos, videos, all that kind of stuff, he's gonna be the one that you want to talk to. Let's see if there's anybody here. Still got the Christmas tree up, but the lights should be coming on. There's nobody here. Hey, what's up, Brian? Everybody's working on a Saturday.
Working on some software through Salesforce.
Look at you. How you been, Brian?
Good to see you.
It's been so
I'm
good.
in my Saturday chill clothes, man. Are you guys grinding today on the field?
Yeah.
What's up, man? I'm Brian.
Alex,
This is
How are you?
Alex. So Alex does my like photos and videos and stuff.
Great work.
thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
So
What's new with you?
it's just the most.
Getting after it?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
up here till like 1, and I'm gonna leave for a few things and come back. I'm just buttoning up a bunch of stuff, so I figured I'd get ahead of it today.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll holler at you.
All right, man. Good to meet you.
Okay. It is so dark in here. I gotta find some lights.
What? You can be looking stuff in.
Yeah, but like all the lights are off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna find the light switches.
Yeah, it's probably better.
No, yeah, we don't have to mess with all those blinds. I'm telling you, y'all, there's like no lights on. Well, the lights are on over here. I found one light switch. Stacy,
Yes.
sorry to bother you, but would you happen to know where the light switches are? There are no lights on and I can't find any switches. I thought that they came on automatically.
Well, they did too.
I mean, maybe I'm missing something.
Where are you looking for?
I'm just trying to turn on the lights in the main area over there. What happened to your arm?
I had shoulder surgery.
Oh my. Maybe there's like a control room. Yeah, right? Oh. Where were they? By that back door?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Thank y'all.
You're welcome.
It takes a group effort. Like, I thought that light switch was just for
Yeah, I thought that.
for that, but wow. Thank you. What's your name? Christian. You saved the day.
You're welcome.
Y'all, Christian saved the day in finding the
That's what I
light
do, right?
switches. Yeah. Oh my gosh. We have light. So we're just about finished, you guys, and let me tell you, I am not a model. I don't see how y'all do this. Yeah, just like all the like changing clothes and getting back, and then I started to feel like I was doing the same things and same poses and all that kind of stuff. But you know, he says that we got some good stuff, so you know, whatever. Whenever I come into the office, I sit in this room. This is the room for like the seasoned agents. We just moved into this office though, maybe like a year ago. So on that video that you all saw me where I was saying that I was cleaning out the office, that was me like packing my stuff to move to this place. So we had to put all of our stuff. But in this area is kind of where I sit and stuff. Just wanted to say bye.
Hi, my friend. Have a good weekend.
All right, yeah.
Enjoy yourself. You're looking fresh,
Thank you.
as always.
Thank you. Don't work too hard today.
You know, I'll try.
All right, I still have that meeting at, what time is it? Okay, it's 12:12 right now. I have the meeting at 2:30, so I'm gonna run, take care of a few things, and then I'm actually going to be back here at the office. You won't believe what just, look at this. I just cracked the mess out of my phone. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't keep a case on my phone. Everybody makes fun of me, and I've never dropped it in like the whole time that I've had it, which has been over a year, like over a year and a half, and fucking dropped my phone. So everybody who told me to put a case on my phone because I was gonna drop it, you were right. Oh, you know what? I have this look under the seat. I have this camera.
I feel a gun under there.
It's not a gun. I promise. Okay. Yeah. So I wanna put that up so that like when I'm driving, I can. But I don't know. Can you mount that up there?
Yeah.
So I mean, like, how do you feel, because you've been on this kind of entrepreneurship journey for what, like a year, or is this your second year?
Yeah, it's my second year. So
How's it been?
it's been cool. I'm still learning a lot. You know, basically, right now it's more of the technical side.
Okay.
You know, I'm pretty sure you deal with it in real estate, to where you can't really treat everything as a free fall.
Right.
You gotta be very strategic about it.
Yep.
And so, you know, whether it be abiding by the law or whatever, you know, so I'm basically dealing with that this year. I promised myself to be more.
So, like,
technical.
I mean, like, what, like giving people hookups and stuff, or like cutting your money for the sake of the job, or like that kind of stuff?
No, it's more so. I'm not afraid to say no. The thing is like what happens after you get the money, aka IRS.
Being smart with things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uncle Sam. Yeah, that's the main thing. But other than that, you know, how do you run a business? How do you make sure everything flows into every customer is happy? So I'm dealing with things like that. Like, I'm going above and beyond to make my customers happy. But the thing is, how can I make the experience more easy and fun?
Yeah. Well, something that I'll say that I've learned, especially with the whole customer service, is as entrepreneurs and as, you know, business owners, we think that we know what's going to make them happy.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we think that, oh, if I do this, there's no way that they couldn't think that I was the best around. But when in actuality, some of that stuff may not even matter to some people.
Yeah.
So, you know, something that I like to do, or something that I did, was I just started asking people, you know, is there anything that I can do better? What would you like to see from me? I even ask people at the beginning of transactions, you know, what they like, what they appreciate, what they dislike, so that I know who I'm catering to, instead of, you know, me thinking that this is going to be effective, and in actuality they could care less.
The one that looked like it was mostly Snapchat stories. That's kind of what prompted me to want to really go down this road, because so much happens on my Snapchat, and I mean on my Instagram stories, and so many things happen on the day-to-day that I just don't have anybody there to capture them, and so it's literally just me getting whatever on Instagram stories. But it's also a situation of, because of my profession and because of the situations that I'm in, it's not very practical for me to be carrying around, you know, a big vlogging camera.
Yeah,
but
face all the time.
Exactly. But it is practical to have someone there. So I feel like there are lots of opportunities for content that I'm missing out on, that I'm missing bringing to everybody and showing everybody, just simply because of that.
I do a lot of like multimedia work that I was like going to school for and everything like that.
Okay.
But I'm currently not in school anymore. A lot of the like videos content that I do works with like stuff like you're talking about, like marketing and just like vlogs and things like that. But also like my passion, or like, you know, what I seriously do is like working on like music video work and like working with artists and stuff like that. So a lot of the stuff that like you'll see, like this is like my real.
So that interview went really well. It went really well, and I actually think that I'm going to extend an offer to him. I was impressed, and he's actually very young, and he reminds me of myself when I was his age. So I know that I said earlier that I had a surprise. Well, I guess it's kind of a surprise. Well, it's a surprise to me that I actually did that, but and this is completely random. But I just booked a trip to Miami. I'm super excited about going, and I'm going to take y'all along with me.